Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how to do the tire puncture repair. So this is the tire puncture accessories kit. So we can buy in online shopping like Amazon, eBay. So like $25 like that. So this kit inside of include all the tools uh, like a grease thingy. We have some lubricant. This is the screwing tool, and uh, got some so we take it out one this, okay, with little bit sticky. So this tool we can like use, you have to put inside in here. A little bit sticky, so sticking on my hand. So you can use that the pliers and get to straight and get the middle. Okay. Like this. So now we're going to do the puncture. So this is the tire. You can see here the puncture. If you want, you can put some mark. You can see with a screwdriver. Take it out. You can see the puncture in here, the hole. So we can do it. Get the lubricant, this tool, screwing tool. Open. Proceed. You can see the hole here. Okay. Inside and screw it. So you can screw it to inside, twisting a little bit. Like that. Back again. Maybe do it a couple of times. Now after use this is sticky puncture, put like this and twist it. You can see the goes inside. Looks like that. You can see the puncture coming through here. This is the inside, so you have to put back. So I'm going to now pull back. There's a puncture. You can see the inside how it's working. So what looks like inside. If you wanna use up your plier a little bit back or twist it, whatever you want. So now it's all good, the puncture. Then you have to do, so now you can use your blade. You have to cut it in here. Here, the rest of piece. So all good. That's it. So thanks for watching videos.